Toyota Fixed Ops. She's not here tonight. So I'm going to present this award to Ginger. And Connie has a little thank you from a young lady that has made a huge change in our service department. And Miles talks about culture. And Olivia Coulter makes a culture change. She's the Employee of the Year. I walk back there in the evenings. She's got the floor cleaner cleaning the floors. Fraser, I thought that was your job. Huh? Olivia is awesome. She's got a little mess. So, this guy I hired 15, 16 years ago, and what Miles talked about with me is kind of the way I feel with this gentleman. So, Mr. Tristan Bland. 2018. Thank you very much.